Welcome! In front of me I have Apple Watch 9 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on the Siri voice assistant and how to use it on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing any of the buttons. After you wake up the screen, press the crown button to open the menu. Then scroll through the menu, find the settings icon and tap on it. In settings, scroll down and find the option called Siri. Once you find it, tap on it. And by default, the Siri will be enabled, but if it was disabled on your watch, to turn it on, basically you need to turn on one of the ways to bring her up. And we have press digital crown, rise to speak, or listen for. Enable one of the options, for example, rise to speak, and then scroll down and tap on enable Siri. And now the Siri is enabled, and only way you can bring her up is to rise to speak, unless you turn on other options like press the digital crown button or listen for, and you can select Hey Siri or Hey Siri, depending on which phrases you want to use. Okay, and once you enable specific ways to bring her up, you can press the crown button to go back to watch face. And now the Siri is turned on, and to bring her up, you can simply say, for example, Hey Siri. Hey Siri. It should be working. Hey Siri. Weird. Let's press and hold the crown button. This works. Okay, so tell me a joke. So the crown button works. Let's try Hey Siri. What's the weather like? Okay, so it works. It was just bugging out for some reason. So that's how you call her up. You can press and hold the crown button if you enable the option, or say, Hey Siri. Hey Siri. Tell me a joke. Or you can use the rise to speak. So basically you need to bring your wrist close to your mouth and the Siri should activate. So that's how you turn on the Siri voice assistant on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.